Hello and welcome. This vintage American recipe is a throwback from another time. Named after the Waldorf Astoria Hotel in New York, where it's said to have been invented, the Waldorf salad is so easy to put together and great for large crowds. Start by dicing 2 longish stalks of celery and 2 large apples. A tart variety like Granny Smith's works well. If you have a preference for a sweeter salad, then I suggest you swap one of the Granny Smiths for a sweeter apple. So try and dice the fruits to a similar size, and that's to make sure that there's an even distribution of flavours. And once the celery and apples are diced, cut the grapes into halves. And then juice half a lemon, and we'll need to extract about 2 teaspoons for this recipe. Then pop the diced apples into a large bowl and add to that 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of lemon, and then just mix to coat the apples. Next, heat a small pan and add in half a cup of roughly chopped walnuts. And be sure to turn the nuts over with a spatula to make sure that they're evenly heated. And since we're only lightly toasting them, it takes no longer than a couple of minutes before they're ready. So then throw the toasted walnuts into the apple mix. And into that same bowl then add in the celery and the red grapes. And give everything a good mix. And now onto the wet ingredients. In a mixing jug, pour in 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Whisk together until you have a smooth blend. Then sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of salt over the mixed fruits. And pour in the yogurt and mayonnaise mix. Fold together until all of the ingredients are combined. Your Waldorf salad is now almost ready. The last step is to chill for around an hour before serving. You can add other ingredients as well, for example, dried cranberries, raisins, pecan nuts, sunflower seeds, etc. It's entirely up to you. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.